Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is truly the best bed risers tall on the market. The 28 PC's Bed Risers 12-inch heavy-duty, adjustable furniture risers by Yookwutar. If you're looking to add height and functionality to your furniture, this product promises versatility, strength, and convenience all in one package. These bed risers come in a comprehensive set of 28 pieces, allowing you to adjust your furniture height anywhere from 1 inch up to 12 inches. What makes this set stand out is the ability to mix and match the different riser sizes included, small, medium, and large pieces plus a sturdy base, to create exactly the height you need. Whether you want a slight lift or the full 12-inch elevation, these risers have you covered. One of the best features is their heavy-duty construction. Made from thickened polypropylene plastic, they are built to support a whopping total weight of up to 2,000 pounds when used together. This means you can safely raise everything from a king-size bed to a heavy sofa or even a sturdy workbench without worrying about stability or durability. The internal reinforcement ribs add extra strength, so these risers are designed to last and keep your furniture secure. The design itself is practical and thoughtful. Each riser has a 4-sided barrier protection on top with recessed cups that are 2.78 inches wide and 0.7 inches deep, which fits snugly on various furniture legs, from beds and couches to tables and chairs. This secure fit helps prevent slipping or shifting, giving you peace of mind when you elevate your furniture. Aside from adding height, these risers also create valuable storage space underneath your furniture. This is perfect for those looking to maximize space in a dorm room, apartment, or any home environment. Plus, the raised furniture makes it easier for robotic vacuum cleaners to glide underneath without getting stuck, improving your cleaning efficiency. For people with mobility challenges or anyone who finds getting up from lower furniture difficult, these risers can offer real help by lifting sofas or chairs to a more comfortable height. They can also elevate beds to help with health issues such as nighttime acid reflux by raising the head of the bed, making this product practical beyond just storage or style. Installation is straightforward. Simply place the riser under the furniture leg, and you can stack them to achieve the desired height. When not in use, the risers stack neatly together to save space, so storage isn't a problem either. In terms of size, each riser measures about 6.3 by 6.3 inches at the base and extends up to 12 inches in height, with a total weight of around 7.2 pounds for the set, making them sturdy but manageable to move around. In summary, the Yookwutar 28-piece adjustable bed riser set is a robust, versatile, and smart solution for anyone looking to elevate their furniture safely and easily. It supports heavy loads, fits a variety of furniture legs securely, and offers multiple height options that adapt to your needs, whether for extra storage, accessibility, or comfort. If you want to add height, convenience, and stability to your furniture setup, this set of bed risers is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. Thanks for watching.